For the very first time, real hands-on footage of the much-anticipated DJI Osmo Pocket 4 has surfaced, and it's creating a huge buzz among creators and tech enthusiasts. The video, coming straight from an official DJI store in Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia, shows a customer trying out the Pocket 4 in person, giving us a crystal-clear look at its design and features from every angle. At first glance, it retains the signature compact and sleek design of its predecessor, the Pocket 3, but this time DJI has added a new feature that instantly stands out: a detachable LED flashlight mounted on top. This small yet clever addition is likely to become a favorite for vloggers who often deal with low light conditions and need quick lighting on the go. While the exterior looks familiar, the real excitement begins when you dive into what's inside this little powerhouse. DJI is not just refreshing the camera, it's completely reinventing how its imaging system works. With the pocket camera market getting more competitive by the day, and rival brands introducing dual-lens systems, DJI's response seems bold and forward-thinking. Leaked schematics that are rumored to belong to the Pocket 4 Pro show a brand-new dual-camera setup packed inside its tiny frame, backed by not one but two image processors. According to leaks shared by Igor Bogdanov on X, this new design will combine a wide-angle lens and a telephoto lens, allowing users to shoot both expansive scenes and distant subjects with incredible clarity. What's even more exciting is how smart this system is. The camera automatically switches between the two lenses based on zoom level. No manual toggling needed. When you're filming wide shots, the wide-angle lens takes over, but as soon as you zoom past a specific point, the telephoto lens kicks in seamlessly. That means you get true optical zoom without losing detail, unlike the usual digital zoom that often results in grainy footage. The real technological breakthrough lies in DJI's new dual-processor architecture. The Pocket 4 Pro reportedly runs on a main SoC, system-on-chip, that manages core recording and image processing, while an additional chip, known as a pre-ISP, handles preliminary image cleanup before the data even reaches the main processor. This pre-processing chip works on reducing noise, improving brightness, and enhancing shadow details, giving the final image a level of quality that's far beyond what we've seen in previous compact cameras. Together, these processors ensure smoother color balance, better exposure, and an overall cinematic look right out of the camera. Adding to its intelligence, the Pocket 4 Pro may include an advanced route switching system powered by a built-in light sensor. This sensor monitors real-time lighting conditions and decides whether both processors need to work simultaneously, or if the main chip alone can handle the scene. In bright daylight, it saves energy by skipping the extra processing step, while in darker or complex lighting, it unleashes the full dual processor power for maximum clarity and depth. As new players enter the handheld camera space, DJI continues to show why it dominates this category. The Pocket 4 Pro seems to blend compact portability with professional-grade innovation, offering creators the flexibility to capture stunning footage anywhere. With smarter image processing, effortless lens transitions, and adaptive performance, this camera might just redefine the limits of what a pocket-sized camera can do. If these leaks are accurate, the DJI Pocket 4 Pro isn't just another upgrade. It's the future of on-the-go filmmaking.